I started waking up early. Today I woke up around 6 o'clock, and by the time I shot this clip, it was 6:15 because basically I have to brush my teeth, wash my face, and all of that. Never in my life I thought I would be a morning person because throughout my bachelor's and all my education, I was a very late morning person. I used to get up at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, which was not at all good. But strangely, I started waking up really early, and I'm in love with this process because I'm also starting to see the psychological changes that being a morning person, anyways, before 8 is good, right? So my productivity is increasing, focus is increasing. The first and foremost task that I do right after waking up is freshing up, and lately I started sitting at my study table and just getting the work done. And adding structure to the day is actually making me happy. A bit of sunlight, a bit of green leaves, a bit of walking on the terrace for 5 minutes, everything is adding up. This is how I plan my day. This is just a 120 rupees book which I got in the nearby store, which is basically in the market right next to my house. On this 120 rupees book, this is my to do list. No fancy diaries, no fancy journals, nothing. Plain white sheets. I put the date, I put the day, I put the tick boxes, and I'm writing here economy, revise, modern Indian history, revise, optional, classical evolutionism theory, the thinkers, I have to revise. So this is how I basically write. I usually do this or prefer doing this the before night because by the time I wake up in the morning, I want to know what exactly I want to do. I don't want to be confused about it because that has done a lot more damage than I thought in the long run. Anyways, having a very good double shot hot coffee in the morning is a must and should for thing for me. I usually mix sugar in this, but it is not at all good. Oh, by the way, I'm planning to start my weight loss journey, huh? See the fat side of me now itself because later I'm going to transform. But before that, this sugar I have to avoid. I'm struggling, but I will do. The room was a bit messy. You see that I have to open the windows, fold the blanket, all of that. That brings energy, positive energy. The moment sunlight enters the room, it brings positive energy. So I've done that, and then I went down. My mother made this upma. This is a soya meal maker upma. A bit of carrot is also there. This kind of upma, it is very rich in fiber. So for the next 2 to 3 hours I feel so full. And then I have studied a bit, and in the afternoon around 3 p.m., 4 p.m., I got dressed up, dolled up. I use the word doll up because girls have been crushed out for so many centuries, and women have never been given a voice. Right now, through makeup, through good clothes, we started adding up to our confidence. And I always support women no matter what, unless they are doing stupid things. As a future aspiring bureaucrat, I'm very particular about girls and their freedom. I personally want to work on that along with the rural development. Anyways, why serious stuff, huh? Coming back to the point, me and my mother, we went to the DMart. If you know DMart, it is a place where we buy groceries, curtains, this, that, all of that. There was this 15 rupees regular popcorn which we purchased. That was a cheese popcorn, quite famous here. But the thing is, they have just added the color. It was not cheese, and I realized it, and then we threw it. Basically, we did not eat it. Whatever we show, we need not eat it, right? Don't get fooled by what people show. So I'm telling you before, not even me. Anyways, I have come back home. This is the dinner I had: one idli, half puri, that's it, and half masala dosa, one bowl full of sambar, coconut chutney, tomato chutney, and just the standard aloo curry along with the puri. This is what I had. This is the quantity I had, and this also I could not finish. Suvarna Rekha mangoes. No pesticides, no chemical fertilizers, given by relatives. ఆ కలర్ చూడు అసలు. వావ్. One more most important things that I have started lately is right after every meal, especially dinner, I want to take 3000 steps, which is mandatory. I also started tracking my steps. Right now, I am tracking everything because I believe that data is really powerful. It's the new oil, that's according to my belief system. Anyways, after the walk, I have come back to my room, studied, and slept off. Next day, I woke up in the morning. I got this for some 150 rupees or something on Amazon, and the this is more like an ice roller that is really good for depuffing and blood. I don't know what the purpose behind that is, but it really makes my look less puffy than it looks usually. Anyway, so I started making this chai. Let me give you a pro tip here. If you make the elaichi into powder, it will add more flavor. Whenever I try to crush the elaichi and add, it is not getting crushed properly and it's not giving good flavor. Even a pinch of it is more than enough and it's amazing. And then I went down. My mother made this dosa. This is simple ragi millet dosa. If you have watched my previous vlogs, also I have mentioned this infinite times. I started eating healthy. I told you, right? It's the weight loss. So this is basic simple chutney. I had it, came back to my room, studied for a while, and I also started actively using my iPad. Previously, I was using the pen paper notes. Sometimes I keep it digital because I prefer to go according to my convenience, according to my comfort. That is fine, but I should also consider this time factor. I can't keep on doing the hard work like a donkey and end up not getting the marks. So that is something that I'm really scared of, because the mock tests are okay, but there is a lot of scope to improvise on that area. So I have decided that I'll focus on getting the knowledge first and we'll do the reverse engineering later. After that, I had to go out, and this is where the fun part begins. Oh, by the way, let me show you my outfit for here, which I am planning to wear. I went to Avandra by Reliance Industries. This is what I got. I have got bunch of outfits from there, and this is a silver color gold coated outfit. I got it for 700 rupees, and my mother stitched it. I have paid her 1000 rupees. I feel that women should, earn care economy. వైట్ కలర్ లైట్ ఆన్ చేస్తావా అంటే గోల్డ్ కలర్ లైట్ ఆన్ చేయి.
నేను ఆన్ చేయలేదు.
హెయిర్ స్ట్రైటింగ్ చేస్తే బాగుంది.
నెక్స్ట్
అదే స్విచ్ మళ్ళీ నొక్కాలి మమ్మీ. ఏం మమ్మీ పెద్ద లైట్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తావు?
ఇది ఆపి
వద్దు, అలా ఉంచాలి.
లిప్ బామ్ ప్లీజ్.
అలా లిప్ బామ్ వద్దు, పడితే వాళ్ళది వాడకూడదు. అక్కడ పెట్టు. తీసుకో, ఏం కావాలంటే అది.
నాకు ఎందులో లిప్స్టిక్ ఏదో తెలియట్లేదు.
లిప్స్టిక్, నా లిప్స్టిక్ నేను నీకు ఇవ్వను మమ్మీ. అలా వాడకూడదు.
మరి నేను కింద వదిలేసుకున్నాను.
కిందకి వెళ్ళు, తెచ్చుకో.
నా పూలు బాగున్నాయా?
నీ లిప్స్టిక్ నేను, నా లిప్స్టిక్ నువ్వు వాడితే హెడ్ పీస్ వస్తుంది. డ్రెస్ బాగుంది, వెరీ నైస్.
నేనే కుట్టే నేను. అమ్మో నా మైక్.
ఓకే ఫైన్. హెయిర్ స్ట్రైటింగ్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా కానీ
వద్దు, బాగానే ఉంది.
ఏం కావాలి?
లిప్స్టిక్.
లిప్స్టిక్ ఇక్కడ లేదు మమ్మీ. ఎల్లు, అలా వాడకూడదు చెప్పాను కదా.
ఇవ్వకపోతే నేను ఇక్కడ ఉండు
ప్లీజ్, అలా వాడకూడదు. Well, me and my mother got ready. I'll post the behind the scenes of this clip at the end of the video, because it was really funny talking to my mother. Anyways, so we left. It was a village kind of an area which is right next to my city itself. So we went there. It was so good. It was a wedding kind of a thing, but there was also some jatara going on, I think. That's how entire village participated in one fellow's marriage, and which I absolutely loved. And this is where one place they have put on the set, and all the village people are out. Every house is like a pelli illu ante. Every house, everybody is getting, everybody's house is given to the relatives and outsiders. I absolutely love. This is what the India is known for, the villages. I love the villages. I'm getting used to it now. I have never been to villages as such, because you know how the town life is very distant from villages, but this is so
I'm back
sweet.
from the wedding yesterday itself,
So I don't have the time to clean my room. Let me show you one thing. If you know, I'm taking coaching, right? From that institute, they have uploaded some previous year questions. They were given in the classroom itself. So what I have done is I try to take a printout like this on both sides. But if I do that, I do not have any space to write, especially in this corners. I don't like to, because I have to do the previous year questions for the first time. So this is the bulk of previous year questions of the subject economy. What I have done is, of course, the size of the font will greatly reduce. Oh my god, there are no page numbers, so I have to be a bit careful when I organize that. So let me show you the first page. One side I have left it as blank like this. Another side I have fit 2 pages in one page. This is one page, this is another page. I have fit 2 pages on one side. So how will I solve the previous year questions? I'm getting started there. They do have the answers as well, but if I have to go through anything extra, I do have the space here to write. Now, the second question is, do I use the previous year question from Disha publications like I have mentioned before? Yes, I do have that, but unfortunately the book is too bulky. and I don't have any space left. Also, if I have to do like this, it's of no use. I have tried it, it's not working. So I have done this. Totally there are like around 70 pages, but I could boil it down to 35 pages. Of course, the font is a bit problematic, but I have to get used to it. I do have an iPad. It will be here. Okay, I'm recording in that. In the iPad, I can definitely take the notes, but the thing is, I can't reopen and go through it again and again. And then there was some kind of an emergency which we have to go and attend. It was an unfortunate event, so but I lost one of my family, friends, come relatives. Anyways, keeping that aside, this is Vizag for you people. Look at the development here, look at the hills here, look at the beauty of the city. We went to this gated apartment. It is like what, 15 to 16 floors. I know Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai are much better, but we are coming with super duper plan and we got the best governance in this country for right now at least. And my brother was also there, and my father is a civil engineer, he's an architect. So these people were seeing how the plan is, how the elevation is, what structures did they use, what kind of security systems did they use, where is the fire connection, where is the water connection. Don't think that if you're not an engineer, you're nobody. Do not think like that. There are beautiful professions which you will also get to know. I made some pasta, which egg bhuji based. More of that you'll get to see in my future vlogs. Stay tuned now, but the BTS is coming. Okay. Kalmai?
మళ్ళీ అదే చూస్తున్నా.
మంచిగా చూడు, ఐబ్రోస్ చేస్తే ఎంత బాగా పై పై ఇటు చూడు, కళ్ళు ముయ్యు.
చూడమంటున్నా కళ్ళు మూయి.
నా వైపు తల పెట్టి కళ్ళు మూయండి. అన్ని క్వశ్చన్లు అడగకుండా కామ్గా ఉండాలి. మేకప్ వేసే వాళ్ళని డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకూడదు. వెయిట్ షూ అవ్వలేదు ఇంకా. చూడు ఎంత బాగా వచ్చిందో. నువ్వు
చూడకుండా ఉండలేకపోతున్నాను.
చూడు ఎంత బాగుందో. ఎప్పుడు కూడా మేకప్ ఎక్కువ ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ సైడ్ కొంచెం తక్కువైంది. ఏం నాకా నీకా?
నాకు.
వెయిట్
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఇట్స్ ఓకే. కాటుకు సరిగా పెట్టుకో మమ్మీ, కాటుకు సరిగ్గా పెట్టుకో. అవసరం లేదు, వద్దు. ఓకేనా? ఏంటది అలా అనకు మమ్మీ ప్లీజ్.
దీన్ని ఏమంటారు నా పేరు చెప్పు.
హైలైటర్. చూడు కల్మై, అలాగే ఉండు. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఒక ఐడియా వచ్చింది. అవ్వదు, నువ్వు మాట్లాడకుండా కామ్గా ఉండు. ఫైన్. చూడంత బాగుందో ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, నువ్వు బొట్టు మార్చాలి కలర్.